Welcome to qnawire.
Alright, so we have a stone that's thrown upward with an initial velocity of 24 meters per second. And the first part we want to know are at height 13 meters, what is the velocity of the stone? And because this height is 13 meters and we're starting at 0, our delta y is just y minus y0, which is 13 minus 0, which is just 13. We also know that a equals minus g as always. And so we're looking for v, so we can use this equation. And we know v0, we know a, and we know delta y. So that works out. We can just plug in. V squared is 24 squared minus, because it's minus g, 2 times 9.8 times 13 meters. And so our v squared is 321.2, and that means our v is 17.9 meters per second. And this can actually be plus or minus because we're taking the square root. And that'll be answered in the second part, why it can be plus or minus. So for the second part, we want to know what time this happens. And because we're looking for t, we want to use this equation. Delta y is v0t plus 1/2 at squared. And I know that delta y is 13 meters. v0 is 24. A is minus g. And we have everything we need to solve for t. But now we have a quadratic. So what I'm going to do is put all the t terms on one side. I'm actually going to bring everything over to one side. So I get 1/2 g t squared minus 24t plus 13 equals 0. And we'll plug in g, 4.9 t squared minus 24t plus 13 equals 0. And if we solve this quadratic, we actually get two solutions for t. So t can either be 0.62 seconds, or t can be 4.28 seconds. And this is because if we're throwing a stone upwards, it's going to go up and then it's going to come back down, right? And at this certain height, we have 13 meters. I'll just call some height 13 meters. If we notice, this parabola is going to hit that line twice. And so this is actually right here is the first t, and right here is the second t. And that's why we can actually have, for v here, it can be plus or minus. The magnitude is always positive, but the direction can change because at this point we have positive 17.9 meters per second. And at this point we have negative 17.9 meters per second. And this is how we get two solutions for t and actually two solutions for v as well.